This is the problem I'm having with LBRY. As you can see, I'm going to start LBRY here. I'm trying to start it, and it's not coming up, as you can see. Where is LBRY? It hasn't started. Why? I don't see the interface. Now I can see it. Oh, it's loading. I don't see that. And that's strange. I don't know. I can't read what that's doing, but it looks like it's a loading thing. Now here is an error message, or not an error message that comes up, but it says unlock wallet. And I'm supposed to type something in there, probably a password, and click on OK, but I can't. The interface isn't showing. So how do I do this? It's, as you see, that LBRY is going, it's running, it's in the services and all that, but not.
Well, guys, here's the solution. Jiggyton gave the solution to me, and I just didn't see it. The only thing I had to do was when I moused over what was showing for LBRY on the taskbar, he had me right click on it to bring up this menu, and he had me click maximize. That brought up this dialog box, so I was able to put in my password, and everything's working fine now. So that was it. I don't know how long I worked on this. If it hadn't been for Jiggyton and Creator, I don't know what I would have done. Thank you, Jiggyton. Appreciate it. That's the solution that I found, guys.